In this video, I will show how to add legend to a chart in Excel. So as we can see, we are not able to find out which color is for which one. Once you hover, so you will see value for particular, but you need a legend. So, but you need to display legend here. So select it and click on this plus icon and check this box legend. So here you can see the figure out which color is for which one. Also, you can add data labels. Here you can see chart style like this. So legend will appear in top side, and there are some more options. Here you will see the bottom side legend. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.